Have you ever felt stuck, like no matter what you do, whatever techniques are you doing, you're not moving closer towards your dreams? Here's the truth. The clarity is the missing link between where you want to be and where you are today. So let me show you that how you can unlock that clarity to manifest the life you truly desire. Hi, I am Life Coach Gagan, your mentor and guide to live a more magical life. And I welcome you back to this empowering journey on unlocking law of attraction and the power of your subconscious mind. In our previous video, we explored reprogramming the subconscious mind and how do we use affirmations, visualization, to creating a lasting change in our manifestation journey and making a law of attraction a lifestyle, not just holding it back to techniques. So today we're going to step a deeper because clarity and intention are like GPS of your manifestation journey. You can't do without them. Without them, even the best tools won't get you so far. So grab a notebook, hit the subscribe button, and let's start mapping out the life you've been dreaming of. Clarity isn't just a nice to have, it's a must have. Imagine you're ordering a pizza. You wouldn't just call and say, hey, bring me food. Hey, bring me pizza. Isn't it? You would specify the topping, the crust, and maybe even the size, right? Manifestation also works the same way. Let me tell you, once I was working with a client who wanted success. But when I asked him, what that success looked like to him, he was unsure. So, did success mean more money, a fulfilling career, or a better relationship? He said a better job, but I asked him to be more specific about that. And after a couple of weeks, once he got more specific about it, wanting a leadership position in his dream company, his focus, his actions, and energy aligned, and believe me, he got promoted within a couple of months. That's the power of gaining clarity. But how do we gain that clarity? To help you with that, let's break this down into 3 actionable steps. Number 1, know your why. Ask yourself, why do you want this goal? For instance, if you want financial freedom, dig deeper. Is it about traveling the world, providing your family, or starting a passionate project? Knowing your why makes your goals more meaningful and you're more aligned towards it. Okay. Number 2 is write it down. Be specific about what do you want. Don't just say, I want to be successful. Say, I want to grow my business by helping 1,000 people achieve their personal goals with next year. That's what I do as a coach. And add timelines, emotions, and details to make it even real. Number 3, visualization with intention. Close your eyes and imagine your goals as if it's already happened. It's already done. For example, one of my clients was visualizing signing her published book. She pictured the celebration and even smelling the fresh pages of the book. And within months, she was able to crack a publishing deal. And there are millions of people who are manifesting. You also possess the same power. You are the creator of your life. And now let's talk about setting intention. An intention is a clear, powerful statement that tells the universe that what you're actually looking for. This is what I want and I'm ready to receive it. For example, before creating this video, I set the intention that I want to help my audience gain clarity and align with their dreams to create a positive change in their life. Intentions should be simple, but should feel aligned with your values. Speak them out loud or write them in the journal to amplify their power. And believe me, they do wonders. They do magic. I had a friend who had a vague desire to improve his health, but did not see results for months. So I asked him, what is his goal? What is his intention? So he had to work on that. Once he clarified, his goal was to lose 10 kgs in 6 months by working out 4 times a week and eating a balanced meal. His actions and motivation got aligned. And guess what? He achieved it with ease, and the clarity gave him the confidence to keep going. That's how simple and powerful this little thing clarity is. And let me ask you one goal you've been thinking about. Is it your career, health, or relationship? Share it with me in the comments along with your intention, and let's celebrate your journey together. I'll be happy to read them out and help you through the responses. And if you're ready to manifest your desires with clarity and intention, stay tuned for next video in this series. We're going to, level it up and share more amazing content coming in. I'll share actionable steps to maintain alignment and sustain your momentum, because it's not just about getting started, right? Isn't it? So hit the subscribe button, share this video with somebody who wants to see it, who needs clarity. Remember, your dream life starts with a clear intention, and you've got this. Clarity is the bridge between your dream and reality. Set your intention with love and focus, and watch how universe is ready to respond to you. So thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video. And stay connected for a daily dose of positivity. This is your life and law of attraction coach Gagan.